Hey, 10th grade. So yesterday we talked about phenotypes. I gave the definition, I gave some examples, and then these were the final three pictures that I posted and I cited down below to show the size, mating behavior, and pattern of movement, or the size, hair color, and pattern of movement. So today we're going to talk about genotypes. And I went to my search engine and just typed in examples of genotypes. And I found this site, study.com, and this is an actual lesson. And what I like about this site is they have a link here that when you click it, it already has the MLA format for you. So if you want, you can just copy and paste it into your works cited and you don't have to go to citation machine. So what is a genotype? So it says right here what the definition is. A person's genotype refers to the types of genes he or she has for a particular inheritable trait. Genotypes determine which characteristic an individual will express. So I want this, so I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it. I'm going to do my sentence starter. ... And then I'll do my quotes and I'll do more continuation dots because I cut off part of this quote. I'll end with continuation dots because there was more to this quote where I took it from, and I'll close with quotation marks. Now I'm going to cite my evidence before anything else happens. Coming back to this website, I can use this citation, just copy it to the clipboard, and then this, when I go to my works cited section, this is my 7th website. I'll paste that in there, and then I will mark this with a 7 for my 7th source. The next thing I need to add are some examples. And I'll use bullet points for this. And going back to my website. So they have examples right here. And I'll copy this and I'll paste it in. And this is also from my website number 7, so I can put that there and paste it. And use my quotation marks, freckles or not, lactose intolerant, hair on their knuckles, if their eyes are blue, brown, or another color. So all of these are possible genotypes. And then since I've cited it here, I can go in and I found some pictures of possible genotypes. So this right here is a great example. There's 3 types. You can have the recessive, where they're both lowercase. You can have a heterozygous, which is a capital and a lowercase. And then the homozygous is when they're homozygous dominant is when they're both capital. So I can copy this image and paste it into my presentation. Let me move this over a little bit so I have some room for my picture. And I'll make this just a little bit smaller. And I need to make sure that I cite this before I do anything else. And I'll just paste it and use the text box below. Bring it down to the bottom. Only have 30 seconds left. Let me see. And so in this last 30 seconds, I'll write retrieved from, and I will show you my final presentation with all my pictures in Google Classroom underneath this. But this is what I'm looking for: the definition, some examples, and a picture that's cited. Thanks, guys.